Hello friends, back with my Excel formulas video, part 2. So in part 2 we will be covering text formatting formulas. So in this we are these formulas are basically used when we want to just convert some cell or do some another formatting for the text there. Now, so in this regard, starting with the first text formatting formula is proper. So proper is the syntax was like is equals to text. It will capitalize the first letter of the string. So like in executive here, I have applied is equals to proper and then C7. So you see that the executive was in uppercase. Now it has become small and the first letter has is capitalized. So in office assistant also O and AR they are capitalized, rest are in lowercase. So up likewise upper is equals to upper and text. It will convert the string letters of string to uppercase and lower will convert the letters to lowercase. So they're very easy to apply is equals to and then cell where you want to apply this same here. So length. Now moving to length, the syntax goes is equals to lee and length, then text. It counts the total number of the characters present in the string. It takes into consideration space also. So uh, in here it is very easy to apply is equals to length b7. So whichever cell you want to refer, then it will give the length of cell. Here Jugraj Amrit Singh. So Jugraj has 6 words, Amrit is 5 and Singh is 5. So it total is 16 and 2 spaces are there. So it's reflecting 18. The length is 18 of that string. Find is basically will return the starting position of one text stream within another text stream and it is case sensitive. In place of find, you can also use search. That the difference is that find is case sensitive and search is not case sensitive. Syntax is equals to find text what you want to find, and this find text will be in inverted commas, then within which text you want to find and what is the starting number of it. So you have to specify that, then it will be giving you the number. So the first space has hit at 7. So Jugraj is here. The Jugraj is 6 words, and we are just taking one more means space also. Then it is returning 7. So now when we apply length plus find together, so when you want to length plus 5 means together I'm saying it's the formula is in minus. So is equals to length then text the normal length formula and minus normal the find formula. So it will return the number of the characters in the seconds or latest text string within a text string. So here you can see also 11 is 18 minus 7, it will give you 11. So 11 are is reflected. Now left will return the leftmost part of the string. So starting part of a text string. So now here this is when you can use when you know the number of characters you want. So here I have specified 6 for every, but it's not giving the appropriate result for the rest because I know that their number vary. So when I don't know, I want to extract that first text string also, but I don't know the exact number of characters, then I can go for this left plus find. So left plus find is like is equal first syntax is equals to left text. Now text where the cell you want to do that, like I here left will give me the first name of that person employee. So it will on that cell I will just select that cell, then find. Here I'm using find because and mine find first space, it will get stopped. So you if you remember find first giving 7 minus 1 will give to 6 and 6 will exactly give me Jugraj without any space. So likewise every now you can see the difference also. Kanchan and here it was missing, but here it is giving appropriate Kanchan. So right. Write will give me the will return the number of characters specified from the end of a text string. So now it will be also useful when I know exact number of characters I want from a text string. So in this, if you could just consider this here, I have the syntax is very easy, is equals to write then text the number of characters you want. So here I just specify write q7. So q7 may say I want 5. So 5 up to 5 numbers I want. So it's rightmost, it from rightmost q7 is this, by the way. So Jugraj Singh. So rightmost is Singh. So Singh will up to 5 it will show. Now Kanchan Tare. So Tare is 4 words. So it's reflecting the space also. Now it, so that's why I told you, when you are very confident about the number of characters you want and that would be only returning. So exactly if you know that, then only you can go for it. Otherwise, now for that, if you don't know the number, exact number location, so of that right, from where to start, so you can use a combination of formulas, right plus length plus find. So the syntax is bit complex here. The is equals to right, then text obviously, then length minus find, and then find will return the number of characters. Okay, so it will return the number of characters of last string within a text string. So here when I applied this formula, write b7, so where my name is written, whole name is there of the employee, then I go and do length minus find. So length it was 18 minus find is 7. But here the thing is I am not going as I have middle part also. So on in find, instead of specifying the start number, I have used nested find and went for the second space. No, nested find will take me to the second space. So the space before Amrit will skip to Sing. So now Sing plus 1 then is done, because the space before Sing will be added and it will be starting right from the Sing. So that's why we have used nested find here, so that it will take me to the second space. Likewise, in this case, one Prakash Jain was only mentioned. I just go to there. That here, if you can see, Prakash Jain is only mentioned. Now again, I go back. Then Prakash Jain, and now here only one. There's no middle name, so the formula was not giving the exact. If I do control the control D, so it in the nested find not work here. So control Z will be using here only one find, so it will be returning that value. So length minus find, total length of the string minus find first string will give me the second string, rightmost part of the. So here Jane and here also Varma. So though two are there, Sita Varma and Prakash Jain. So this will you can use wherever, if there are number of this number of characters are in between, then you can go for nested find. Otherwise, nested find, without nested find also, you can just use one nest find and you will be able to get the result. A middle will reflect return the character from the middle of a text string given a starting position and length. When you know the starting position and length, then you can use this. So in our case, the syntax in this syntax is like is equals to text, then start number, where from where you want to start, how many numbers you want, number of characters you want. So like this is GSTN of a hypothetical GSTN number. So this here I have applied it is equals to mid 0 5, oh sorry, oh 05, and it should start from third. Starting number I have given third, and number of total number of characters 10. So we know that GSTN is consists of pan in between. First is state code, so and then pen. So pan is of 10. Total 10 characters are there. So I just want to extract pan. So it can be so from third pen starts, and the length is the total length of the character is 10. So I just use that. So now when you want, when you don't know the exact position and length, so then we can go for find. Now here the find is find will return the middle string within a text string. So in our case, I was in starting I had three middle name also here. The middle name is there. I want to extract it and write it cell. So for this is equals to text, then I'll just go for find plus 1. So it will be going, mid will be going to the second value. Then adding a 1 is here because I'll just get letter of second word. Then find will, here again I have uses nested find because I have to now I will be what I will be doing, I'll be just subtracting the second from the first one, so I will be able to get the middle one. So here if you see the find, then I have done the space b7 and it will go in nested find. This is nested find, so it will go to the second space, so it will be standing before sing. So plus 1, so that start from s only, then minus again with the first string because we know that this will give us the first string. So middle string will get reflected over here. So Amrit, and this will give you exact values. Here you know that Prakash Jain was only specified, so there was no middle value, so the formula didn't work here. And same is with Sita Verma. So this will only return value because the formula is not true. Trim will remove all the extra spaces in between the strings. Only single space between the words will be there. So multiple name mentioned the words but with multiple spaces. So in the first case, before Jugraj there's space, between Jugraj and Singh there is two space. Now Kanchan, there are two space before Kanchan and two space after Kanchan. So there are multiple spaces in between. So this trim will give will reduce will remove all the extra spaces. Only one single space will be there between words. So now this trim function can be used when you don't means you want first the trimmed words and then you have to apply some other formula on it. So it will be then giving you the exact result what you desire. Now exact is checks whether the two strings are exactly same and returns true or false respectively, and it is case sensitive also. So for now what I have done is I have taken D7 and Q7. D7 has my names with multiple spaces and Q7 is my trimmed one. So everywhere I have spaces in between, so it's reflecting false. But in last one, Sita Verma, there is no space, only a single space is there. So the trimmed and the that spaces one matches, so it's reflecting true value. Concate, concate and concatenate. So concate is the syntax is very easy, is equals to concate and the range, whichever range you want to select. It will concatenate a list or a range of text strings. So here here range I have selected. This concate works on range. So is equals to concate L7 to P7. Now L7 to P7 from Jugraj, Singh, then Pan, and then Amrit. So this will sequentially it will reflect Jugraj, Singh, then Pan, then Amrit. It but here concatenate is a where you can join several strings into one text string. So here the formula is, and you it makes you can join 30 text string together. So is equals to concatenate then L7 N7 P7, because if you see the range, if I that is L7 to P7, but in between the pen is also coming, but here I am taken L7 specifically N7 P7, so it will going to show me that only. So the difference is there, it works on range, whereas it can work on independent cells, whatever cells you want to join. Now substitute and replace, these are almost similar. So substitute replaces existing text with a new text in a text string. Replace replaces a part of text string with different text string. So now uh, when you don't know about the exact start number and the number of characters to be replaced, then you use substitute. So substitute, the syntax is very easy, is equals to substitute the text where you want to apply the formula, old text which has to be mentioned in inverted quotes, new text which has to be mentioned in inverted instance number is instance to replace. If not supplied, all instances are replaced. Now, what I have replaced, I substituted is substitute Q7. That is my trimmed one. This you can see. So here I have replaced the old text is where is space, a space in between with a hyphen, new text hyphen. So that both has to be mentioned in inverted quotes. And instance is what, though if I don't write instance over here also, then also I'll get the result, because it will be taking automatically. So in case there are multiple names, then you can write the number of instances where I want this to be done. So whereas in replace, I want the replace formula is equals to replace old text which has to be maintained and mentioned in inverted comma, then the start number from the start number where I have to replace, and the number of characters till I have to exactly replace, and the new text in that space. This so new text will be also in inverted commas. So here just for example, I have is equals to Q7, the trimmed one only, the eighth, because Singh is Jugraj, 6 plus 1 space, and seventh is Singh. So Singh is eighth. So starting my start number, then how much I want to how much number of characters I have to consider is 7 I have written. So in that Punjabi is reflecting Jugraj Punjabi, not Singh. So this is only when you can use the exact number. So we are completed with the text formatting formulas. Now next part is of logical formulas. So stay tuned for watching that video also. And till then, stay safe, stay motivated, stay aware. Thank you for watching.